Hey everyone, I had a lot of questions asked about their passenger seat and why is it so tough to pop on. So let me show you what they did. It's actually cool engineering. These are the notches that holds the seat in its place. They slide over these grooves here and then it locks in right here in the center. So you have this part that slides in to lock in with this piece here, and these notches slide over here to support and fasten. So when you drop it in, you just slide it back. Now here's the thing, just like you see me doing, you do gotta wedge it back there and then lock it down. The nice thing about this, with a passenger on the back, is not gonna go any further. It's secured here and it's secured here. You just gotta wedge it on, just like you saw me do, just kind of angle, take a side at a time and just pop it on by doing so. And when you do that, you'll be able to lock the seat on with no problem. On this one here, of course, you can add the backrest and so forth. I just chose not to add it on. And this seat works just well for riding around town and short distances.